Click power, no response. Take out the blue screwdriver. Remove the rear cover screw. Open the rear cover. Disconnect the above interfaces in sequence. Disconnect the battery interface. Remove the FPC screw. Disconnect the FPC interface. Disconnect the loudspeaker interface at both ends. Remove the loudspeaker screws at both ends. Pull out the loudspeaker adhesive tape at both ends. Remove the loudspeakers on both ends. Remove the battery screws at both ends. Pull out all battery tape. Pick up the battery. Attach new adhesive tape to the computer. Peel off the red tape to reveal the white. Pull the new battery through the FPC along the bottom. Take out the purple screwdriver. Fix the screws at both ends of the battery. Apply new adhesive tape to both side loudspeaker and peel off the protective layer. Install the both side loudspeaker and fix the screws. Buckle the above interfaces in sequence. Press the cable and cover with iron sheet. Fix the loudspeaker interface at both ends. Fix the battery interface. Install the rear cover. Tighten the screws on the rear cover. Power on successfully, replacement completed.